Lawin. May sama pang kanta.
Oh, come on. Show me what you got.
Ang pangit. Baka lang.
Kaya na talaga ni Divine. Pokok tayo na.
Ay, singit mo sa sakong ko.
Iba na naman yun, for sure. Hindi yun kagana.
And I'm writing a song. That. And that's all I came up with.
Ay, marunong na ako. Ikaw, hindi pa.
That's all I came up with. But there's a floor scene.
But that's 3 seconds I came up with.
No.
Okay, I'll count.
The whole thing?
Okay.
Okay. The whole thing. 1.
Okay, I'll count in my head. So you don't get disturbed.
But I can't dance now because I don't know if it's finalized.
Okay, just do what you've
Can I
thought
do it
of.
slowly?
Sige.
I've never done choreo for
Sige, no, it's
anyone.
nice. Go.
I'm shy.
Gano'n na lang yung mga basic steps.
No.
No, sila mahirap daw sa kanila. Yung
Yeah.
sa inyo ni Joya, iba din daw.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Tara,
Sama niya.
tatlo. Siya,
okay.
Carlo at si Roy.
Ang dami niyang steps.
Ano ba, ang hirap?
Oo. Na? Ayoko na sumali sa dance. Sa ano na lang ako sa...
Wow!
Step.
Ganun tayo mag-aapal. Ganun tayo mag-aapal.
It's like at least 10 seconds.
Yep.
Kaya nila yan.
At least 10 seconds. I need at least 30 seconds. Or 40 or 50.
You need a
a
minute.
I need a minute.
No,
Okay, that's okay. I can
Mga
do a
40
minute.
lang.
I can do, yeah, because we need time to get everyone on the stage. So we can do the,
Yeah, the thing, the last one.
oh.
Girl, I've been all over the world looking for you.